is not only the month for the heart para sa patient. It's also the month also for your self-care. We are in a very challenging period of our time. But if we will remember lang the values of integrity, humility, and service above personal gain, hindi tayo mawawala. But it should start from each one of us. If we will translate that personal conviction, then our collective effort will perhaps have a halo effect to the entire nation.
Thank you, Dr. Niliachon. And that has been this episode of Health Vibe. Sana po ang namin, kung may nararamdaman kayo, huwag po kayo mag-hesitate. Come on over to Manila Doctors. Maghanap po kayo ng expert na talagang pwedeng makinig sa inyo at makapagbigay ng tamang impormasyon at advice. Ang episode po na ito ay hindi form of consultation, hindi po siya pamalit sa konsulta. Pumunta po kayo sa inyong doktor.